Okay, fifth one. Hemisphere depression is cut out from a one face of a cuboidal wooden block such that diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Start doing this everyone once. Fifth one. It's a cubical wooden block. Okay. It's a cubical wooden block. Okay. Cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. So, this is equal to L. Diameter is also equal to this one. Now, determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Write down what will be the surface area in that. Then I'll come and check afterwards. So we will do here. See, they will do scoop the remaining portion. They will remove this much portion in the cube. Okay. And this diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. Okay. So what is the total surface area of this solid when you remove that portion? Hemisphere is asking. Surface area here. Calculate.
CSA of cube and then CSA of hemisphere minus area of sphere.
Write down. I'll come and check. Write down. I'll just see. Write down. I'll come once. I'll check. Surface area of the solid. Fifth question. So think whenever it is an area, think of painting that box or anything solid is there. So what and all area you can see, and in that you will paint all the things. Okay. So in this solid, I will paint all the 5 portions. That is 5 square first. In the hemisphere, I have removed the hemisphere in that solid. That also I will paint. That is what? That is the area of hemisphere. That is CSA of the hemisphere. Because that hollow thing I can't paint. That circle I can't paint. So that is the CSA of the hemisphere. Okay. And I have to paint this portion also. What is leaving that circle, whatever is that portion also I have to move thing. What is that? That is equal to a square minus pi r square. Correct? So total it is 6a square plus CSA of hemisphere minus pi r square. Again, I will repeat here. See, in anything area, if you are calculating, think of painting that solid. Okay. In this cube, what and all you can paint? Okay. In the solid, see, this circle is there. And I have scooped this portion in the solid. So what and all you will paint? All the 5 faces in this, plus this inner portion. 1 minute now, wait. Current surface only I am taking here. Because in the cube, what and all I am painting, you have to check that. Wait 1 minute. See, in the cube, okay, 5 faces first I will paint. Correct? Correct, no? I have scooped some portion in that. That also I have to paint. That what is that? CSA of the hemisphere. Okay, but I can't take TSA there because this portion is empty. This portion is empty. I can't paint that circle. So CSA of the hemisphere plus the 5a square. And I have to paint this portion also. whatever the remaining of the circle, what is that? A square minus pi r square. So total it is 6a square plus CSA plus of hemisphere minus pi r square.
What is A square minus pi r square?
See, in this one portion, the circle is empty thing. But I have to paint this thing. What is this portion? This area is a square minus pi r square. So that is the thing. Total it will be 6a square plus CSA of hemisphere minus pi r square.
Now, instead of 5A square, should we take CSA of cube? That is 6A square.
That only, but how it came, I am writing. To understand, I am writing. That's it. Understood? No, no. It's fine. But understood now, main whenever it is an area, think of painting that solid. So what and all you will see that. So that and all you will paint. So here if I'm removing the portion, it means it does not mean I'm subtracting. I'm able to see that area, so I am adding. Okay. Do this now. And he has told diameter is equal to L. So 6 radius will be L by 2. So here 6 L by 2 whole square plus CSA of hemisphere is what? CSA is of hemisphere, it is 2 pi r square. So 2 into pi into r. R is equal to pi r square. Same thing. Pi into L by 2 into L by 2. Or directly I can write this is equal to pi r square also under substitute. Okay. Calculate and tell me what is the final answer. 6a square plus pi r square and r is equal to L by 2. Okay. 6 into L by 2 whole square plus pi into L by 2 whole square. Diameter is L. So radius will be L by 2.
6 squares for the cube.
Cube diameter is also same thing. Side is also okay. L square. Okay. Correct. This is L square plus L by 2 whole square. So 6L square plus pi L square by 4. LCM if I take 4, 6 4s are 24. L square plus pi L square. You will get. So how much will L square if I take common? 24 plus pi by 4. Okay, so this is one hemisphere, this is also one hemisphere, and this in between portion, it is a cylinder. Okay, so this is one CSA portion, this is another CSA, and this is one cylinder. All the three I have to paint from outside. That means what? All I am adding. Why we are not taking TSA here? Because inside circle, we are not painting inside the circle because everything is hollow inside. Correct, no? So the area, total area of the solid is equal to CSA of the hemisphere. 2 hemisphere is there. So 2 into CSA of the hemisphere. 2 into CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of the cylinder. So what is the CSA of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square, right? Plus CSA of a cylinder? 2 pi r into h. Now what is the height and all they have given? It is this much, it is 5 mm. So diameter it is 5 mm. Now what is this length? Total length it is 14 mm. So total length is 14 mm. In this, you have to remove the radius, 2 radius that is equal to 5 mm. 2 radius is equal to 5 mm. So what will be the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder here? 9 mm. See here, this is one radius. From here to here, it will be 1 r. Because it's circle, no? Wherever you take it is radius. That also I will take. Here also 1 r. Okay. So diameter is 5 mm. So 2 radius is equal to diameter. That is, I have to remove 5 mm portion in this. 14 minus 5, it is 9 mm. No. The radius, see, from here to here, 5, no.
You will. I did that.
Both
I did that way.
Ma'am, you're correct, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's my answer.
Both sides of
Yeah.
that is 5 mm is the diameter. 5 mm is the diameter. Each side radius of 2r is diameter.
You need 10 minus.
Give me the diameter.
Okay, think slowly. We'll do this. R is what? 5 by 2 or 2.5 only you can keep. 2.5 into 2.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 9. Write down this simplification we'll do. Write this. Understood? Correct. 220 is the answer. Correct. So what is this? You will get 2 hemisphere, that is 2 into 2 pi r square, plus the cylinder 2 pi r into h. So radius is equal to 2.5 mm and height of the cylinder, that is equal to 9 mm. So 2 into 2, 4 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 2.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is equal to 2.5 into height, it is 9. Okay. So 22 by 7.
and confident com.
Yeah, you can take off. Into 2.5. Take 22 by 7 into 2.5 as common. What else is remaining? 4 into 2.5 plus 2 into 9. Okay. 4 into 2.5, it is 10 plus 2 into 9, 18. So 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 28. 7 ones are 7 fours are 4 into 28, 88, 88 into 2.5. You will get it as 220 mm square. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 mm and 4 mm respectively, and slant height is 2.8 meters. Okay. So tent. Here also both the CSA only we will take, because this portion is in the floor. We will not put the cloth here. And here also this portion is hollow. So only the CSA of the cone. So surface area of solid is equal to CSA of the cone plus the CSA of cylinder. What is CSA of a cone? Pi into R into L. What is CSA of cylinder? Pi 2 pi R into H. 2 pi R into H. No? CSA of the cylinder. Now what and all they have given here? If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 and 4 meter respectively, cylinder height, it is 2.5 mm, and diameter of the cylinder, it is 4 mm. So radius of the cylinder, it is 2 mm. And the slant height of the top, so L of the cone, it is 2.8 meters. L only. Slant height only L, no? So no need to convert here. Slant height of the cone. That's why only height of the cylinder. That's why, because height of the cone of the cylinder will get confused. That's why I've written C by. For this, I've written cone. Okay, understood now? Slant height only is given. Directly you can write. No need to convert now. Huh. So what you will get here? Pi is 22 by 7. Radius of the cone, how much is given? It will be same as the cylinder. Radius of the cone is also 2 meters. So it is 2 into L. It is 2.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is equal to 2 into height. Height, how much is given? 2 point. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 2, I can take common here. So 2.8 plus 2 into 2.1. 2 into 2.1 is what? 4.2.
7.
7 you will get. Now what is the cost? Cost per 500 rupees per meter square. So total cost 44 into 500. 22,000 cost. Okay, it is easier to take the common terms and do. That will be easy. And simplification also you would have given. See, if you add everything, it is coming to 7. No, it will come most of the time. They would have given like that. Take the common terms and do. Okay. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.